Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to enable minimap in Infinity Ops. If you want to track enemies, plan your moves, and dominate the battlefield, then you can easily enable or turn on the minimap option in Infinity Ops. To do so, first of all, open up Infinity Ops application on your device and also make sure you have the latest version installed. From the lobby screen, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. You will then end up in this Controls tab, from where you'll need to scroll down and look for the Minimap option. Toggle on the button right next to Minimap. Make sure to turn on both of them if you have two of them over there. And once done, you can get back and start the battle. And that's how you can successfully enable Minimap in Infinity Ops. Now you can spot enemies and teammates more easily, giving you a tactical advantage in every match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.